Hello YouTube, welcome back from my stoop. My stoop still being my office today. My video camera is not yet available. It will soon be. Now, just a little bit laugh to myself for myself. I just made a video of 10 minutes while the video was not recording. So here goes again. At least I had a practice run now. Right, so one of our local pipe smokers, Gideon Basson, asked me the other day to consider redoing videos that I made long ago, 2013, 14, 15 maybe, I don't know. So today is one of those. Maybe not exactly the same, but just a quick how-to of how I maintain and clean my pipes. So first of all, the tools. I've got pipe cleaners, of course, bristle pipe cleaners, pressurized pipe cleaning alcohol spray, Denny Clean, Savinelli pipe polish, Savinelli pipe cleaning fluid, Obsidian pipe stem oil, a reamer with a very handy kind of drill cleaner, and your normal little knife. I think that's it. Oh, and butcher block conditioner. It is a food grade mineral oil, and its brother, which is made from beeswax and orange oil with UV protection. So this is the tools I use. The Denny Clean, sometimes I use it just to dip. Let me. So I will just dip the stem quick in it, run it through, make sure you cover the corners of the bit, run it through, and then the dry side, and once again with a completely dry. So that is the quick and easy cleaning. Right. Or sometimes it might be necessary just to run through the bristle one. So the bristle one takes out anything that the normal pipe cleaner might miss. Right, and then I would take some obsidian oil, and I will rub it on the stem, You can use a cloth. I just use my hand, my finger. So the obsidian oil prevents oxidization, and it's also kind of a UV protection. I'll show you later. You can leave it in the 30 minutes. The oil is just to also nourishes the, important to have a cloth with you. The oil just nourishes the bowl. Right, so that's my normal daily cleaning. There's an obsidian oil which I've done earlier. Now it's polish time after 30 minutes. It was kind of grey brownish, and hopefully you will be able to see how it looks like after the cleaning. Okay, it's not that clear, but it's not brown anymore. It's a nice black and polished. That's the obsidian oil. So it's not very easy available in South Africa, but I do have it on my online shop. So if you're a South African YouTuber, you're welcome to go and have a look there. The main thing which I would actually like to discuss today is reaming and cake. Now, the layer of cake is important because it gives your pipe a protection against the heat of the tobacco. That's why we smoke our pipes in, or the curing of your pipe is a slow smoking, quarter bowl, half bowl, 3/4 bowl, to make sure that the layer is built gradually in your pipe. Now, there are different opinions about the layer of cake. Some doesn't remove it at all, and I've seen a pipe that you can't even get your finger in, so much layer of cake is there. Some will remove it every now and then. The general rule is a 1/4 inch thickness on your pipe. It's not easy to measure, but afterwards you kind of get the feeling. And then there are some people who prefer to clean it out totally up to the wooden layer of your pipe. That I would not recommend. I'm not sure why people does it. Maybe once or twice in a while to clean out ghosting, or I don't know. Yeah. Let me just say, my preference is I don't remove much layer of cake. I do it probably once a year, just to keep it even, but it's there to protect your pipe. Too thick, it can also crack your pipe. Too thin, well, you can actually smoke your pipe in such a way that it becomes an consumable item, which it shouldn't be. A pipe is something that can last a lifetime. Here is a pipe which is 30 years old. George Jensen, nothing wrong with it, still perfect condition. There's no reason why you should buy every 6 months or a year a new pipe because you've actually consumed your previous one. If you do, as I understand, there are people who I've heard of someone who actually have to buy pipes on a regular basis because he consumes them. He actually smokes them right through. Now, I don't want to tell you what to do and what not to do. It's your habits and your pipe and your enjoyment. I'm just saying that it's not necessary. You can actually have a pipe for a lifetime. I don't know what the person does, whether he removes the layer of cake, whether he smokes it too hot. I'm not sure what he does, but it's not. You should not have to replace a pipe due to the fact that you've actually finished it through. I've finished 2 pipes in my life due to ignorance. And since I've understood and learned what to do and what not to do, as I said, I've got pipes that's 30 years old, and even more. So yes, this is important. This one you can adjust the reaming. What I normally do is I just will gradually ream it to have an equal thickness right through the bowl, and that's it. So that's my pipe cleaning equipment and tools. I clean my pipes after every smoke or before the next smoke in terms of a pipe cleaner, but a thorough cleaning would be once a month maybe, through all my pipes, with obsidian and the oil and wax and everything. And your pipes can last a lifetime. So thank you for watching. Please comment, because everyone does it in a different way, which is great. So let's learn from each other. If you do it in a different way, please share it with us so that we can, learn the young, new pipe smoking guys and girls to do it properly and to do it right. So share your comments, share the way you do it. This way we all learn from each other. That's how I do it. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to your comments. See you soon. Thanks. Bye bye.